Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So if you ever want to start in the healthcare industry, just don't know where to start, this video I'll be going over 5 different departments that pay very well for entry-level positions if you want to get your foot in the healthcare industry and or just want to have a good stable job with a pretty secure job with good benefits. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing because I'm working on some projects that I'm going to be releasing here shortly on side hustles, and at the very least it's going to be entertaining for you, if not going to make you money. Let's get right into it. Alright, so don't waste anybody's time. I'm going to throw up the 5 departments up right here and you can research them if you want to. If you want to stick around, I'll be telling you how much they pay compared to the $12 per hour minimum wage I get here in Northern California, and their job duties. So first off, we got the linen department. They're responsible for reprocessing all the laundry in the hospital and sorting it, and then also delivering them to the appropriate places. This is actually one of the chillest jobs, I would say, because at my hospital they actually don't have the washer machines there, so they actually send it out and a third party does all the cleaning for them, and all they do is just fold it, sort it, and bring like the scrubs and patient gowns to the designated locations. Number 2, we got EVS or housekeeping. They're responsible for just keeping the hospital clean. They also do like the patient discharge room, so once a patient gets discharged, they would go in and clean the room up and get it ready for the next patient. They're always needed. There's a lot of them. It's probably one of the easiest jobs to get into. And number 3, we got dietary or the kitchen. Their pay ranges from $21.35 to $23.65, and then if you become a cook, you can actually be making $26.50, which is really good with considering a $12 minimum wage where I'm located. And with dietary, there's like a wide job description. You can either be like a cashier, you can be help serving the employees when they come to the cafeteria, you can be delivering food to different departments for their lunchtime, or you can actually even be washing dishes. Turn down the volume, Mark. And 4th, we got CPD or central supply. They're responsible for intaking all of the shipments to the hospital, all the supplies, and restocking different departments and restocking the like isolation carts and crash carts. They work in a little warehouse area where they receive all the shipments and they do inventory, and then they also go around the hospital stocking different areas. And in my opinion, if I would have to pick one of these categories, I'd probably work in central because it just seems like a really chill job. You're just kind of like doing all the stock for the hospital. There's no patient care. Most of these don't have patient care because they're more of like hospital jobs and not healthcare jobs, but they do get your foot in the door where you could network and build your seniority within that hospital. And last, we have SNAs or OR attendants. Basically, these are like the EVS of the operating rooms. So every time they're done with the surgery, they'll come in and they will do like a terminal clean on the whole OR room, restock stuff that's necessary. And then also when they need help moving patients, they'll come in and help move patients, or if they need like some blood work done or a delivery, they'll go to the lab and grab that stuff, and they'll just be like the runners for the operating room. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed me breaking down these departments, I would appreciate if you drop a like and comment down below which one you work at or which one you would want to work at. So until next time guys, see ya.